Hello students, how are you? I am Saurabh sir, your computer teacher, and I think you all are very safe and very well at home. You all have done a good job to be a stay at home and follow your parents' instruction. So today my class is for the class 1 and I am your computer teacher. I will teach you computer as you know. And today my topic will be about the computer peripherals. Computer peripherals means different devices we use in the computer like pen drive, hard disk, mouse, keyboard, every hardware which we use in computer we will discuss on today's topic. Before starting my topic, I will again reminding you what is hardware. Hardware is those peripherals, those devices which we can touch physically. That is called hardware. Means we can touch mouse, we can touch keyboard, we can touch hard disk. These are called the hardware of computer system. Okay. So the different hardwares we use in the computer are mouse. Again, hardware. I am defining hardware. I think this word is visible to all of you. Hardware, those device which we can touch physically, which we can touch physically. Is called hardware. Okay. Example: keyboard, mouse, hard disk, okay. Few hardwares are kept inside the computer system. That is your motherboard, your processor, okay, and RAM. RAM is also a hardware. These hardwares are kept in a CPU box. Okay, that is called cabinet, CPU cabinet. And few hardwares is kept outside the computer. That is keyboard, mouse, CD, pen drive. Okay. Few hardware are storage devices, few hardware are input devices, and few are output devices, and few are processing device also, like processor, processing device. And now we will discuss about the input device and the output device. What are those input device? What are the input device? Those devices using which we can give our data into the computer. We can instruct data. We can instruct computer by inputting our data. Okay. Like when we press the button A of keyboard, the instruction will passes to the computer system processor that A button is being pressed and just give the output on the output screen devices. Okay. So keyboard is input device. Using this device, we can enter our name into the computer. We can give instruction to the computer system. Okay, and the output devices is those devices which show the result on the output device. Using output device, we can show the result of the processing. Like we have given the data using input device 1 plus 1 and the result will show on the screen of your monitor. The result will be 2 and it is shown on monitor screen, so it is a output device. Monitor is a output device. Printer is another output device. On the printer we just take the printout whatever we see on the computer screen. Fine. And the next one is the last one is processing device. Processing device are those devices which process the input data. Like we have entered 1 plus 1. Plus 1 is a processing. System will process that. System have to add this two number, 1 plus 1 is a processing is plus addition. Computer have to do addition and do itself by using the processing device. Fine. And input device, output device, processing device. Okay. We will discuss few devices are the storage device. What are the storage devices? Storage devices are those devices which is used to store our data for a long time. Like you store your routine, you store your homework in your school diary, such that you can again remind it at home once you go outside from the school. And in the same way, computer storage devices are the hardware, like hard disk, CD, pen drive, DVD. These are the storage devices. Usually these devices, computer store the data. Okay. I discussed the input device, output device, storage device, and the last one is a processing device. Processing device is those devices using which computer processes the data based on the input devices. Okay. Like the processor is our processing device is kept inside the processing box, CPU box, that is central processing unit. Okay. And our next topic will be another is pointing device. What is pointing device? Pointing device are those devices using which we can point any part on a computer screen. Like mouse, you can point any part. You can point any folder on a by moving your mouse pointer, arrow key, that is arrow key, and you can click anywhere you want. That is a pointing device. Next one is a projector. What do you mean a projector? Projector is that device. It is an output device. It is a that device using which we can project our screen. We can see our screen of computer system on a bigger area. Fine. On a bigger area, like a long curtain you have seen in a cinema hall. Okay, long screen in a in a cinema hall. If this screen, you like in a extra mass class in your school, you have seen extra mass class in a extra mass room. You have seen that with the ceiling floor of the room, there is a projector hanging out there. Okay, and that projector is connected with the CPU. Fine, and where you can see your extra mass software running on the screen on the whiteboard. Fine, projector हो गया, and I think today is good enough. Today's session. In the next class, we will discuss little more different hardware. Okay, so I am ending today's class. It's getting too hot, I know, and okay, don't go outside. Still, Corona haven't ended. You have to wait little more time, but we have done good job to wait at home. Be safe and have a good day.